My name is Panayiotis Philimis and I'm the CEO of CyRIC. Here at DEFEA we are presenting several loitering munition drones. The first one here is SkyEye. It carries a revolver with 4 smart bomblets where it can be drawn from different distances and can be quite accurate. SkyEye can lift around 9 kilos, and the advantage of it is quite compact and can be carried by one soldier. It's less than 10 kilos. Here we have Goliath. It's a heavy lifter. It can carry up to 15 kilos. Here we have a payload with Dragonflyers. These are drones that carry different kind of ammunition. We can carry 60mm mortars, 81mm mortars, and also smart bomblets. The advantage of the Dragonflyers is the fact that they are quite cheap and they're quite effective. And these are gliders, and that means that they can fly up to 6 times the altitude. So when Goliath drops them from 1 kilometer, they can go for like 66 kilometers with no power. And it can come in different versions. This one that we see here, it's a 60mm mortar, and we can also have another version where it can carry up to 4 kilo of payload ammunition. Here we have Terror. Terror is a loitering kamikaze robot. It carries 2 charges, up to 3 kilo of explosives. Can operate up to 60 kilometers per hour speeds. And the advantage of it is that it can aim into armored vehicles or tanks from far, from 50 or 100 meters, and it can hit them from this distance. And the other option, of course, is to go underneath the armored vehicle or a tank. Spear 22, it's a drone that can be used as loitering, but also as ISR. It's for long range. That means it can go more than 100 kilometers. It comes in different variations. This variation here is for dropping from other drones or helicopters. It can carry a payload up to 15 kilo. That means you can have big cameras, or you can have warheads up to 15 kilo. And the advantage of it is its own design, basically, that provides up to 50% of more time because of its unique design. It comes also in a variation as a tube launch. That means it can be launched from the ground. It can also go up to 100 kilometers with payloads up to 10 kilo.
Okay, here what we have a suicide drone, otherwise called kamikaze drone. This drone is destined to fly to a target using visual and GPS navigation. There are many kinds of different functions. Here you can see that we can program the flight path of the drone, but also we can see what's happening. We can assume manual control of the drone, and using first-person view tactics, fly the drone to the target. We are heavily invested in artificial intelligence. As you can see here, we have trackers where the user can select one of the targets and the drone will fly towards the target without any deviation from its path. It will not stop until it hits the target. The artificial intelligence needs several models. Right now we have a model of persons and things. In normal operations, they have trained models of armored vehicles.